What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I just want to do a tugging video of the Stihl RCA20 hand push washer. Really hope this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly. Because I really hope some of this thing will get used at some point this weekend. I'm hoping if or next weekend, I don't know exactly, but I'm hoping some point this thing will get used at some point this year because well, because I do like this machine because honestly you can see exactly how much I expected this machine exactly because you see how much I expected this machine has been getting used almost like quite a bit because well, because you can see how much expected this exactly, because I'm hoping at some point this thing will get used at some point, either this weekend or next weekend. I don't know exactly. I'm hoping at some point this thing will get used this year. You see, I mean, it would take the same battery as the TJ26, which is definitely how much I expected. This machine has been used almost like quite a bit because I really hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which I really hope some point this thing will get used. I still don't even know what the eco button even does yet because I don't even know what it does exactly because it's in the lock position right now because we push it in. I mean, when you push it in, it will lock it in. You can see exactly how much I've expected this machine exactly. But don't surprise that this thing has been getting used almost like quite a bit because, well, I hope at some point this thing will get used on a weekend at some point this weekend. I mean, hope some point you can see because, I mean, hope so you can see because you can tell this thing has been used almost quite a bit because, not only because of the way it's on this machine exactly, because I do like this machine a lot because you see how much I expected this machine exactly. And what I expected this machine is gonna get used almost quite a bit because it will get used on a weekend this weekend. I'm hoping some point this thing will get used at some point, but this is a pretty nice looking machine. I do like to say a lot.